Sermon number 40. In reply to the slogan of Kharijits, no verdict save Allah. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. The sentence is right, but what they think it means is wrong. It is true that verdict lies but with Allah, but these people say that the function of governance is only for Allah. The fact is that there is no escape for men from ruler, good or bad. The faithful persons perform good acts in his rule, while the unfaithful enjoys worldly benefits in it. During the rule, Allah would carry everything to end. Through the ruler, tax is collected, enemy is fought, roadways are protected, and the right of the weak is taken from the strong till the virtuous enjoys peace and allowed protection from the oppression of the wicked. Another version. When Amir al-Mu'minin heard the cry of the Kharijits on the said verdict, he said, I am expecting the verdict, destiny, of Allah on you. Then he continued, as for good government, the pious man performs good acts in it, while in a bad government the wicked person enjoys till his time is over and death overtakes him.